I am Kavyangali Gurung of class 6A representing Emerald House. I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Reflection by Philip Allen Green. By day I smile at life as it passes by, ignoring all the chapters, feeling inside that life just doesn't matter. Each day I look within so I can see myself and ask him, what is all for? I question the child in the mirror. My reflection waves in the corner from huddled state. He stares, asking, why should I care? So inside I